Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna draw a lemon. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna draw an ellipse. And I draw a sharp edge. Just right here. Another one. I'm gonna draw two drop shapes for the leaves. Another one. Straight line. And I erase the excess. A circle for a slice of the lemon. A center with a dot, straight line, triangle, just like this. I'm gonna draw two ovals. One of them actually is a semi-oval. And the other one I'm gonna draw the slices with semicircles and circles. Like this. Many straight lines for the texture. I draw a circle here. Straight lines and a zigzag lines. Like this. And I erase the excess. Now I'm gonna draw this slice semicircle. And I erase the excess. Now let's get painting. Now trace over with the felt tip marker. That's it. I hope you like it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.